Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Investor More. I'm standing inside one of our house flips. This is one we bought for $355. Are hoping it'll be worth over $500 when we're done, but we're just trying to make some decisions on the kitchen. So if you first saw our video, it will look completely different than this. We had a big wall coming across here, so took that out. And then there was also, I'll show you back here, a doorway going through there to the kitchen. So as you can see, we filled that in. The kitchen had decent cabinets. We were thinking about saving them, but as you can see, they're gone, so we're not saving them. And they had some weird, you can see them before video I'll link to, but the cabinets had this weird angle, or a wall that came out like that, just this dead space wall with a cabinet, like pantry cabinet on that side, and the stove on this side, just really weird. So we took that out, and we filled in that because we had no space for the fridge. The fridge originally, you could see right there, was on this wall and just stuck out right in the middle of the kitchen. This was really silly. So we've had like 5 different plans, but I think we have a new plan now. As you can see, we added a pantry. So we put a pantry in here just for storage. We have the space, we can do it. We were originally trying to save the cabinets, thinking about painting them. We're thinking about resurfacing them. We had a company come out that resurfaces the cabinets. We talked for a while. Then they said they're booked out till February. Like, that's probably not gonna work. That's 5 months away. Maybe you should have told us that before you came out here. But anyway, that didn't work. And the cabinets, once we got the counters off and looked at them, they were not in good shape. There are a few doors missing. They were broken. They were really dirty and disgusting inside. So we just decided, scrap the cabinets. We're gonna get brand new, what we're thinking is just white shaker cabinets, put those in, have granite counters. And we did just get a plan from Home Depot. It was like $8,000 for all the cabinets. We're getting, nicer, taller, more custom cabinets for this house because it's a bigger house. But then I'm looking at it here, and this is our living room, which I just showed you in the beginning. And you walk through the kitchen to what is kind of like the family room, right? It's kind of a neat room. But where do you put your dining room? So I guess Nikki and I were talking just now. You kind of have to put it in here, which was kind of weird because it's a big family room and there's no basement family room at all. So you really have this giant kitchen, but all this wasted space in the middle, all this wasted space here. So I think our current idea is to bring this wall. We'll have to move the plumbing over too. Hopefully that's not too difficult. Luckily, Nikki's husband's a plumber. To right here. So we'll bring that wall out here, and then we'll put a big kind of bar overhang on it, like a big chunk of granite across there, so people can sit under there and eat if they want to, and then they're not like in the walkway. Or if somebody really wanted to, it would be a little tight, but you could fit kind of a long, skinny dining room table over here too. You still have plenty of space for the kitchen, have plenty of cabinets, and I think that's our option. Of course, we're open to suggestions from people. We always love those, but we'd have the plan is fridge here, double oven here, Lazy Susan, corner cabinet, stove, not stove, but cooktop here, hood, no cabinets here, just a Lazy Susan. Then you have your sink, dishwasher on the side, and one more cabinet on the end. So that's our plan for now. I think that should be a pretty decent functional kitchen. You'll have your pantry as well. Now you'll have kind of an eating space. It's all open, and it'll have nice new cabinets. So that's our plan until we change it again, which may or may not happen. That should also reduce our costs on the cabinets because we're eliminating 4 of them, 2 uppers, 2 lowers. So that should help as well. We normally spend much less on our cabinets from Home Depot, but like I said, these are a lot nicer, a lot fancier. So that's the plan for now. We'll keep working on this house. Hopefully we get it done here soon. and get it on the market and get it sold. All right, of course, check out invest4more.com. Lots more information on our flips, rentals, all that good stuff. We've got 18 flips going right now. Just did a 1031 exchange from a residential rental into a commercial rental. You guys should have seen all the videos on that. And I have 2 more rental properties under contract as well. One smaller commercial deal that's around the $150,000 range asking price. And then another commercial deal that's right around a $400,000 asking price. And I will show both of those as soon as we buy them. Probably going to do a 1031 exchange into at least one of those and just buy the other one without the exchange. And one of these days too, I'll do a video on the $2 million commercial property that fell apart that we did not have go through and talk about why that happened, some of the things that went wrong. It's hard to talk too much about that because I didn't buy it and I can't disclose private information, but I can give you some insight into that. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys appreciate it. We love the thumbs up, the comments, all the support, good or bad. So we'll be back soon with more videos.